Hi, I'm with Onyx here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today we're going to look at how to reset your drum for a DR420 and a brother HL-2240 laser printer. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to open the front access door, remove the drum and toner cartridge. Then you're going to push down on this little green button and remove the toner from the drum. After that, you bring out replace your drum, put your toner back in. There's this little green slide at the top of the drum. You're going to slide that back and forth 2 or 3 times, and making sure that it's seated where the arrows are pointing at each other. Then you're going to replace the drum and toner cartridge back into the printer. Now you're going to want to leave the door open, and with the door open you're going to push and hold the go button for approximately 4 seconds. There's some LED lights here on the side that you'll see light up as you hold it. Once they're all lit up, you let go of the go button, close the door, and there you go, you're back up and printing. It's that simple.